Karibhoy dorbar kalayo laga jong ka jaka ka khando ka siap long trai hadin bagilathit laga nongrim jaka hanong thamai dong so bhala ribhoy the string bat latei sundon ye ka jingtei banyo e ka ying dorbar ne ki jingyalang naga bentai ki jingdon kam kumba julong ya ka jingpli ye ka te ka jingtei la penlong ha ka artun re ter risau ar hajar ar pholai ha ka ba project director ka DRDA Raja Brahma ulapli ya ka te ka jingtei hakabalai donlang UBDO ka CNRD block umsning uba ïING kiwei pat kibala sakhi ki kenthum yo president ka ribhoy dorbar uba RB Shadam u general secretary uba GS Shadam kiwei ginong kitkam bahakman rengkat lang urang ba shtong kanong thamai uba marshal nongshli yakate ka jingtei lamang lengba na ka scheme MPLADs jong snam R1000 Arpuwei R1000 Arpawar kaba shipau lak tingka Balakershan du MP RAJYA SABHA u Dr. WR Kharluki.
Uba sada bawan mo tawang ngala da biyo taka sanction Sir Dr. WR Kharluki ada sanction mentionari bo uba. Tengah aku mo video ru na tumun changi ni wat lat mo ka scheme ne eru ngin pinkop mo men ai dorbar mo ka kitien mo long riboy dorbar. Just the name has its weight. They nipat ni so un ongkum nong ni umdan ka scheme ay borong pinkop men ay riboy dorbar mo and I tinga first of all thanks ya Dr. WR Kharluki. Thank you sir being an MP Rajya Sabha member and your feeling towards the development of riboy is immense sir. Thank you sir. Kumba u adopt mo Segi village for Molinde bring e but three come sir belong Sarkeva is beyond my imagination like Wandra development but coordination kumba block Segi village which is zero funded mo along Mantangi land target block it is 100 crore projects. So a man with the quality along for the development sometimes like I perkat ya riboy tinga I kuble ya MP sir na I kuble shibon ya bor ni member jeng ripon darba ya perlok ba don chocolate ru ya sometimes like video ru dan ne ji ya bora tinga kemen mentas ni dan rangkat MP and PI nga alat men play bo mau nongrim hangni but it will be a memorable day for me in my lifetime. It is a history making for me. I am part of it. The laying foundation stone for riboy dorbar is just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the Kumba Yopisa, then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other like other projects like Bongpi parking for sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline. For water supply, we'll see it. Whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself belong Kumba Riboy Dorbar, it's not only an asset to the headman Kumba member jang, but it's an asset jang Riboy. There is a symbol of a love along a symbol of development for the people of Riboy district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Riboy Dorbar, we and myself PD from the district administration on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and the coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well and we are always there to help with the project.